Great Wolf Lodge. You can see that they took a lot of care to put in some extra details to make you feel like you're part of the wolf pack. Now this time when we came, we opted to get the 2 queen beds. When we came before, we chose to get the one with the queen bed and also 2 bunk beds, which the kids liked a lot, but honestly, they mostly just climbed and played on the bunk beds, and they never really slept in the bunk beds. Here we are. There's our room. You can see the lamp has the animals. There's us a wolf. There's us a deer. We have a little sitting area or a area to put your luggage. And there is our view.